Hi, this is Eggyokio, and I have a blister pack that I'm going to open that I got at Walmart. I said I wasn't going to open any more of these, but my boyfriend went and got me one for Valentine's Day, and I opened it and I pulled a U-Prime, an Alf's lithograph, and a whole bunch of hollows, so, you know, so I had to give him something good for Valentine's Day, but that's kind of a private matter. So I decided, why not, I'll do this again and see if I get anything good. Hopefully I will. Normally I, can't pull anything out of these things that's worthwhile. So we'll take a chance. Let's see. So we got Rising Rivals, Just Triumphant, and another Triumphant, the Porygon Promo Hollow, and the Steelix coin. That's cool. It's almost holographic. Alright. So I guess we'll go oldest to newest. I don't know, I just don't seem to have good luck with these things at all. Wheezing, Ambipom, Munchlax, Cilio, Nidorino, Vibrava, Volkner's Philosophy. Oh wow. Do I? Oh my gosh! I actually. Okay, Sharpedo. That's a surprise. Because honestly, I never pull anything good out of this. Electrode and a Floatzel GL Level X. Awesome. So yeah, totally worth it. See, I figured after all that complaining and telling everybody I wasn't gonna buy any more freaking packs because I never get anything good, I would get something good. So that's awesome. Nice. I already have this card, Mint, that I pulled before. Out of a 10, I think. So yeah, but still, awesome card. Alright, so it just Triumphant. Yeah, so the first time I ever pulled anything good out of this was when I got the Mew Prime. Which was pretty awesome. Because he heard me, talking about how I was never going to buy packs. And then, he surprised me on Valentine's Day. He got me a whole bunch of other stuff, like teddy bears and all this other stuff. But, yep, a Bronzor, Cubone. Where did I put the Floatzel? Put it over here. Voltorb, Diglett, Aeron, Lovedisc, Marowak, Electabuzz, it's a cool card, Ghastly, and Pidgeot. It's a cool Ghastly though. Alright, last pack. Yeah, I mean, I got the Floatzel, so I think it's probably going to be it for this, but that's pretty awesome. Level X, it's awesome. Machop, sorry. Pidgey, Bronzor, Clay card, which I don't have, and I got in the other one too, so that's awesome. So I have a double of that if anybody wants to trade. I have to put that in my Clay card binder. Illuminize, or whatever, Illuminize. These things I don't really get. Porygon, Dragonair, Yanmago, Stadium Indigo Plateau, That's a nice card for the Celebi. Magneton, which is an uncommon, and Venomoth Hollow. Cool. You know, I was not liking the new hollows, but lately, you know, Triumphant, from what I've seen, some of them, and the new one, Call of Legends, actually seems like they put effort in their artwork. I mean, the background is just really beautiful in this, and the hollow kind of accentuates that, makes it look all sparkly. That's nice. The colors are really nice. It's cool. So we got this nice Venomoth, the Floatzel Level X. Those are the two best cards I pulled out of here. Put those in the sleeves. Magneton reverse, Ghastly reverse, and so where's the other reverse that I pulled? Oh. Electrode G. So those are reverses. And yep. Awesome. Floatzel Level X. Cool. So yeah. Maybe I will buy every now and again I'll buy some packs. I think if I buy them too close together, I get disappointed because I don't get good pulls. It seems like after I wait a while, I always pull something good. So maybe I won't give up on packs completely. I don't know. It just sucks you pay $20 and you get absolutely nothing, and it's just like, if I had used that $20 to actually buy a card, you know, I would have gotten guaranteed. It might not be minty fresh like this and exciting to pull it out of the pack, but, you know, it's better than just getting nothing but junk cards that I already have. This is a really nice Cubone. So thank you for watching, and my next video will probably be more of the rare cards from the rare binder that I have to finish. Thanks.